Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at how to do it yourself to keep your AC running cold. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Air conditioning is absolutely glorious, but what do you do when your air conditioner stops working on a hot and muggy 95-degree day? Not only is that an inconvenience, but in the current state of the market, HVAC techs are backed up for 5 days, if not weeks. Now's not the time to lose your cool. We have a tip for you to help get that frigid air running again. One thing that a lot of people don't realise is that a dirty indoor furnace filter can actually cause your air conditioner not to cool properly. If you haven't replaced your furnace filter in over 6 months, it will start to build up a heavy dust or lint coating. This will restrict airflow across the indoor evaporator that needs air movement. When you get low airflow across your evaporator coil, the coil will end up freezing up due to inadequate airflow. When that happens, your unit will stop cooling. It's like trying to blow a fan across a block of ice. So if you see water dripping from the furnace area or water on the floor and your conditioner is not cooling, there's a good chance an indoor coil is frozen up. Now, this wouldn't be an Appliance video if we didn't share with you how to fix it. What you will need to do to correct this issue is remove your furnace filter and check to see if it has a large buildup on it. If so, don't bother cleaning it off. The dust is too far embedded. Simply replace it. Now that your furnace is breathing better, to get your AC cooling again, you will need to shut the unit off for 2 to 3 hours and let the coil defrost. If you have a thermostat that has a fan on position, turn the fan to the on position and turn your unit to the off position. This will blow air across the coil to help defrost it faster. Once the coil has defrosted, put the new furnace filter in and you'll be back to chilling in no time. If this video helped you, then like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.